3 big social media marketing mistakes to avoid. Social media marketing is probably one of the most best uses of technology, allowing anyone from the other side of the world to connect with another. However, there are mistakes you should avoid if you want to succeed with social media. The first mistake is ranting and being negative. It's great to add a personal touch, but if you're ranting negative comments, then you're passing that bad energy onto your followers too. But don't get me wrong, everyone's entitled to their own opinions, but if it's about pointing fingers, cursing and blaming, then you'll lose followers quicker than you can count. So avoid this big mistake. Number 2, not being consistent. Not posting consistently on your social media profiles is a surefire way to lose followers. Stick to a schedule. If you haven't got one, make one. By posting consistently, you're creating trust. When your followers see your posts, they'll come back for more and it'll refresh their memory of why they're following you in the first place. And lastly, not engaging with your audience. Think of your profile fan page as your home party. You invite people to your home and they start socializing with you. You're basically the host. You facilitate and create the flow. If you aren't responding to comments and questions, it's like ignoring your guests who are at your party. So be social and have some fun. Social media is all about building connections. And that's really what social media is about. So avoid these 3 big mistakes that could potentially harm your brand and your business.